Guys, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. It took a lot longer than expected, but we're finally here. You guys saw the title, you know where we're at. We're at Reggae Falls in St. Thomas, Jamaica.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off.
I'm really excited to be here. So I'm here with the fam. You can see Kimmy. See Kimmy are going with her antics around. So I'm here with the fam today. Basically, we're just here to have a good time. We just got here. Going to head up to the falls now. Maroon say hi to Anna. Hannah say hi to the Maroons. Basically here with the fam.
I'm shorter than this now?
No, you're not shorter than that.
I mean...
You see, look which part to reach, Zoe. Look which part to reach, Zoe. You're good. Hey, what up cool stills, you know? Jeez. This is the deepest point stills. Just watch your step. Walk through Miguel this up. I actually came here in the summer of last year to do a video. Me and my cousin came down, we spent the day, jerked some chicken, it was a whole vibe. But what happened is that I lost all that footage, so you guys weren't able to get that vlog. Woo! Watch your step. So we're navigating through slippery rocks and rough current to make it up to the falls. So as you guys can tell, it's not a natural waterfall. It's an old dam that's out of commission and the water overflowing it. It's a beautiful fall, but it's very intimidating once you get close to it. Oh wow. Once you reach here, so any closer you go, everything get wet. So I'm gonna put you guys, let me put you guys inside the case quick. Oh, Maroons. Crazy. Hi, mommy. Kimmy. Nice to meet you. Yo! Maroon! Yo! Guys, I'm not sure how much you've seen because the camera got fog up. So I'm gonna try to turn it this way and bring you guys under the falls. Not how Maroon. I'm gonna try to shelter out the side to get wet. Oh my word! soon as I go in the water, the camera screen gets foggy with droplets, so you guys not going to see. You guys probably not seeing a lot of that, but just majestic. Yeah, waterproof.
I just wanna go back, tryna make it all undone. So it didn't have to hurt this bad. I don't say goodbye. I don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Whoa, whoa. You should know why. I'm a Gemini. My love, my love, my love.
I mean, actually, I enjoy water though. And how it? Kimara, you're not telling Maroon hi. So yeah, I was saying we're going back down. It's very cold up by the falls, and you're constantly being pelted with water droplets, so it's hard to get. It's hard to be dry, and it's hard to stay warm up there. We're probably soon going back up the street, but we're coming down here for a bit. We need to look. We need to find out what they used to use it for. Wait, may I look in here, sir? Alright, guess I do this part. To keep me them, I go back.
Want ice? Want cold water?
So you not ask me if me want ice?
You want cold water? Want for me? Just straight pint and drink. Look pretty though.
Where? Since we're making jokes.
So the fish them, you can skip bro? Or you can do pan. You know still enough to do pan?
You can do. We don't want to blind nobody. Big one also. Bombard! One day if I catch that.
Oh God.
Wait, watch them. Throw one day. Get way too far. Throw one right now up near so. That's too far. Right in front of me this way. You see your hand lean? There. Then come to you. Watch out. I want this one. Hey, they want deal with it, you know? No, you're too shallow, Kimmy. Wait, let me try. Watch it, Kimmy.
You have to go with them there.
Hey, them a beat, them a eat it, you know? Yeah, run them. Hey, them a, we feel them a shake chips.
You feel them a bad pan in
I'm
afraid.
Yeah.
So then I eat this one now.
Hey, you know? That one the big fruit.
Again!
I see they are. Go back there. That's kind of one.
Why not fast for me?
Oh my, fast and frick.
They not fast and come back. Let me catch one.
Yeah, don't have the water to me.
Just spot them up.
That may I try to do, but they can't catch them. See the whole of them over here saying. See the whole of them over here.
You catch him?
I'm catching him now and go through my hand. Let me try to get that smaller one.
Picking up your camera.
Yeah, but literally. I big one I catch to you.
Yeah. You have to just take time. Yeah. I want to catch you. You have to put them up. you see flare, it go right round.
It come out like up again.
You can't see no water.
Let's wait there.
No, Lexi, you're not gonna work.
Let's go.
When you catch it up,
She's like that.
flick out. Just flick him in the water. Him go. The last time I came here, I did not go to the top of the waterfall. Should I? I'm not even sure if I'm going to do it today. Because the last time I got a bit coward. I'm not sure what they used to use here for, but there's this massive pipe that runs from the top of the dam that goes down. I think to a section there that probably was like an old pump house or something. Afraid to pass the last time because all of this section was wet, muddy. Am I going to cross to go up there? Nah, I don't think so.
So it didn't have to hurt this bad. So don't say goodbye. Don't do this down. Don't go.
Took you guys along on this family adventure to show you this spot, mainly because I had an amazing vlog from last year that never saw the light of day. So yeah, just took the opportunity to bring you guys here. It's definitely a spot where, first of all, it's one of the most well-known spots in the island. So if you get a chance, it's a bit of a drive if you're coming from Kingston side. There was a bit of commotion on the way this morning. There was an accident on the on a bridge. Funny, so there was a lot of backed up traffic. We couldn't get through, so the journey took up way longer than it should have. But we got here, we got to chill, we got to cool off, enjoy the day. Just nice, good vibes all around. Wanna still a try, Kimmy? Wanna catch them more? Look, come down. We tell him about that side there, mommy. Don't do that.
After we come and be there, she have me there. Everybody.
Exactly. You good?
Mommy beat us. Jesus, brother.
Instead of go share food.
Hi Maroon. I hope you're liking the video. Spam up the comments. And what else they say?
Like
Like
and share. Now what is the most important one?
Remember, patience.
No! I said subscribe.
Oh, subscribe guys. Subscribe.
Half money. Oh, where you go? So we're just waiting to leave now. It was a good day. Enjoyed the day. Didn't really film that much. Yo! It was a good one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember everything that you do: be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent.
I know you never gonna believe me, but me woulda find it tough to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like you float one. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn ain't a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.